Alright, today we're going to do a video of a 2020 Haas VF-2SSYT, serial number 1176767. You have the Haas Next Gen control. The machine has the larger 50 tool ATC. It's Cat 40. The spindle is running right now. It's 1500 RPM. The max speed is 15,000. That's 5,000 RPM. And that's 10,000. Again, max is 15. It is a Cat 40 spindle. Machine is equipped with the remote jog handle. Tool change, simulate a tool change. The machine has whips with the tool touch off. There is a probe included with the machine. That's your x-axis. Nice and quiet. There's your Y. You'll see on the table there is a 4th and 5th axis rotary. It's indexing the A. Also rotate the C. And you have your Z axis. You have programmable coolant. You have the Haas mist collector. That's kind of the operation of it. It is a coolant through spindle machine. You have 2 orange vices down here on the bottom, on the floor. You have 15 tool holders plus the probe there. You have your chip cone and a bunch of other accessories. Thanks for watching.